Yang sana magkapit, Pasko. Hello. Sana all bakasyon. I'm coming back to Bulacan tomorrow. Wow! Ingat! Ingat po. Hi, I hate you, shall we? San ka ba ngayon? Like, nasa Manila, ganun. 3 years ka na. Hello, AJ. Shall we, AJ? Matagal na din yung 3 years, ha? 6 months pa lang ako dito sa Vigo, eh. Nung October ako nagsimula. Hi, Sai. Thank you, Dan. Saikan, hello. Shall we? Hi, Puerto. Hi, Rose Pink. Okay, Pasay. Hello, Wancho. Shall we, Wancho? Uy, parang natatandaan ko si Wancho. Or hindi siya. We'll be in QC later. Oh, ang dami walang pupuntahan. Ingat. Ingat po, Aries. Hi, FM. Shall we? You have IG? Yes po, I have IG. Hi, Adonis. Shall we, Adonis? Adonis. Yang na Hi, Javi. Shall we? Good eve. I'll follow you. Sige po, later. Hi, Jackson. Shall we, Jackson? Hi, Mark Christopher. Shall we? Just message me here in Bigo and I will give my IG. Hi, Crimson. Hi, Super. That's it. Thank you, Superman. Eat well. What time is it there? Superman. King James, hello. Shall we? Hi, Road Croc. Shall we, Road Rocks? Wait lang, Ramil. Hi, Boss Poggy. Shall we, Boss Poggy? I'm at the spa. Sana all. Sana all nagpapaspa, guys. Comparing myself. Hope all. Hi, D. I want to, but I don't have budget, guys. Hello, Gabriel. Hi, Laxus. Hi, Cardo Dalisay. Shall we? Hello. Hi, Gacha. Just message me here, here in Vigo. Aris. Hi, TikTok. Shall we? Hi, Lox. Hello. Hi, Hong. Okay. Hello, Arnold. Hi, Holang. Hoang, hello. Christian, hello. Okay, Christian. Thank you. Galingan mo sa ML. Hi, Tree. Shall we, Tree? Panda Tree, hello. Please follow me, guys. Napadaan lang. Hello. Hi, Agent. Shall we? Hi, Laxus. Orange Beaver. Yung star Singapore? Singapore yan. Thank you, Aris. Only for hello, shall we? Hi, Skirt. Wait lang, here's my ID, guys. Hi, Sanchi. Hi, Blue. Shall we, Blue? Siyempre, masipag talaga ako, guys. Hi, Lock On. J Blue, hello. Hi, Faith. Kailangan ko makakota, guys. Agad-agad. Hi, Jean. How are you? Kailangan may panghanda tayo sa birthday.